Guys, here are the York Deluxe High Efficiency Air Conditioners at my mom's hotel right now. And yeah, they have this cool looking 4-bladed fan. I hate how York put the data down there. Let's see. Serial number is hard. This thing's kind of faded, and the coil guard's been taken off. And also, I heard that some of my subscribers like traffic lights here, some over there. There used to be like really old ones. I don't know which brand. Yeah, they've been replaced. Even the ones near Hardee's. They had this cool octagon back and they were doghouse traffic lights. My sister really likes those. But the good news is I'm sure it's the same brand. Oh my gosh. Okay. Serial number is MDXM152399. So that'd be, hold on, let me look at the model number. Here's the model number's faded. There's a bug on there. Killed it. Yeah, they have these wired coils, not the louvered coils. Yeah, it's got the louvered fan grill, and usually the motors would have the arm that goes through the thing right there, then it'd go right there. Yeah, but the good news is that the line set's not down there. The lines are pretty buried out there. Just annoying that York put the data down there. System number 8117. I'm sure that means 1981. 17th week of 1981, I believe. Whoop, and I just kicked the air conditioner. Okay, and there's not just 2 air conditioners. Yeah, this is this a complex? Is this a condo?
Yeah, it's a complex.
Yeah, this is more like a complex. Yeah. This one has the design like the one. It says fan blades. Yeah. They also took the coils off of that one. Oh my gosh, this needs a good cleaning. I mean, Mom, these air conditioners are in drenching rains all the time. That's what they're designed for. Oh. I might be able to get get these sleeves quick. Yeah, let's get a data manufacturer serial number off of this thing. Watch how about destroy the lines. Something that's buried under there. Hey, it's something metal. Just a piece of metal. I could actually take that to the scrapyard. Piece of junk. Okay. Yeah. Wish they put it on the side. Okay. Metal.
Okay.
This is a 2-ton. These are 2 tons, and I'm sure they're from 1981 because that's what the system number said. It said 8117. So that might be 1981. Yeah. And this is I think it's the same one, but it has a different fan blade. Okay. Let's hope. Okay. Oh, serial number is MCWM127585. So that might be 75, I believe, or 85. So you can tell it's a 2-ton. Yeah. I'm gonna say this one's newer. So yeah. Triple zone York air conditioners, and triple zone 2-ton York air conditioners, deluxe high efficiency. This one is believed to be from 1985 or probably newer. The other ones are from 1981 to be believed. and there's some commercial units on the roof. This is more like
That little one
air conditioner heaven.
not working.
That little one right there.
Yeah, it's not.
Hopefully I can get up there. This might be a Unitary Products. Yeah, that might be Unitary Products. I'll pause the video quick. Alright guys, do not be feared. I am not up on a roof. And here is, oh, this is another York. The fan blades are completely rusted. And as you can see, the lines are cut. Yeah. So this one, they should be replacing. They should get a train at least. At least they didn't get Goodman. There's a York gas pack or commercial unit, I should say. Oh, sweet, we have one of them running. Sweet. Oh, I don't think any of, I think there must be a blower running in there. Some refrigeration components, and this must be just I don't know what that does. I'll try to get a look at the fan. Maybe I could use some of this stuff to get up there. I'm sure it's a York. Yeah, trying to get up there. Up there's the fan. Is that newer? Yeah. All these coils have been taken off. I don't know if they just didn't care about the air conditioners or something like that. Oops, system number 09819. So that might be an 09 or 98. I'm guessing at least 98 based on the rust. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Out. This has been a Tan Fan production.